Hey, 8th grade, this is Ms. Harkness. This video is for Eureka Module 2, Lesson 4, Reflections. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reflect figures. It's important to know what your line of symmetry is, also known as your line of reflection. For the sake of this lesson, we are going to focus just on the axes as our lines of reflection, but know that any part of the coordinate plane can be used as a line of reflection. So you can see I've drawn a simple acute triangle, and I'm going to reflect it across the x-axis. Now we know that the x-axis is this horizontal axis right here. That's my line of reflection. So right now I'm going to take every point and I'm going to flip it over the line of reflection. I'm going to start with point C since it is the closest. Right now it is 1 unit above the line of reflection. So I'm going to put it 1 unit below and label it C prime. I can see that my B is 1, 2, 3, 4 points, 4 boxes above the line of reflection. So I'm going to come down 1, 2, 3, 4. B prime. And then A is 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And I can see that that's right because A and B were in line before and they are in line yet again. I'll grab my eraser and erase these extra marks because I don't actually need them, just use them for counting. And there we go, perfect reflection across the x-axis. Now I'm going to take ABC prime and reflect across the y-axis in pink. Now my y-axis is my vertical axis. So right here, top to bottom, these are my y values. So I'm going to use that as my line of symmetry. Right now B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 away. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's B prime. A was even farther away. It was 7, 8, 9, 10. So 7, 8, 9, 10. Here's A prime. And let's double check that. 1, 2, 3, 4. This was 4 units across. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is also 4 units across. So I can make sure I've reflected appropriately. And then C was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That looks right because C was in the middle. There we go. And then I actually need to make these double prime because it is my second. So there we go, another reflection, this time across the y-axis. Really that simple. Just take it 1 point at a time, identify your line of symmetry, and use that as your reference point. Best of luck.